name is Bernice King, and I'm going to be making slipcovers for Upholstery on Broadway. Kevin has been my friend for a long time, 20 years or so. Slipcovers are my thing. Upholstery is his. He's a master upholsterer. So I've been making slipcovers for over 30 years, and I've been teaching slipcover making for 17 years to people that want to be in the slipcover trade, or for people that just want to take on the challenge of making a slipcover for themselves. It's generally a very approachable project. You don't need a lot of equipment, good sewing machine, scissors, pins, and a lot of fabric. And you can transform your furniture. The wonderful thing about a slipcover versus upholstery, slipcovers are removable. Generally they're washable, depending on the fabric you pick. They may have to be dry cleaned if you choose that kind of fabric, but most people like washable slipcovers. Fabulous if you've got pets, little kids, or husbands that like to watch football and eat snacks in their comfy chairs. Furniture gets dirty when you use it, and being able to really get it deep down clean is appealing to a lot of people for a lot of reasons. Allergy issues, and especially if you just have sloppy people in your house. So we're going to take on some upholstery, slipcover projects, not upholstery, and we're going to start with this Parsons chair that I'm sitting in. It has no arms, but it's a great starter project. It will teach you just about all of the important techniques about making a slipcover. In future segments, we're going to take on chairs with arms, and then later on chairs with wings and bigger pieces. But right now, you're going to get 90% of the skill you need with this little chair. And you only need about 4 yards of fabric to make it happen. So, the chair I'm sitting in, this beautiful tan ultra suede, is a slipcover. So I'm going to start by stripping the chair. So I put this on with Velcro because I didn't want a skirt. So it's like taking your clothes off. And the slipcover is like a piece of clothing. I like slipcovers to be fairly snug, so it's a little tight getting it off. But here we are. Our chair is getting naked. So this will go off to the side. When I made this cover, I didn't want to have a skirt to cover the legs. And I didn't want to have white naked legs with the tan slipcover. So I made little leg covers. They're like knee socks. So they're just little cylinders of fabric that slide on. When the main slipcover comes on, it covers up these little raw edges and then tightens down. So it looks like a completely upholstered chair. Some of these are tighter than others. There we go. All right, so you don't need to watch me stripping this chair. So here we have our main chair. It's ugly, it's kind of dirty, but we're going to make a new slipcover for it. I've had these chairs for a long time. In their first iteration, I had 6 of them around my kitchen table, and I made slipcovers in 6 different colors, and that was just fun and fresh. Later on, I made a pink slipcover with white cording. It was very fresh and young looking, and this chair sat in a little girl's room for a while. And now, in its tan iteration, it's sitting in my den. So it just keeps getting new life, and so much better than the plain, just white muslin. So join me when we've got this whole thing together, and we'll have an adventure making slipcovers together.